What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Celo guys, which has gone for a major increase in value. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing: it has pumped up over 50% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $1.73. So we're going to be going through what is next for Celo, why has it gone for a sudden pump earlier on today afternoon, and where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little dip back down, or is it going to stabilize around its current price range? We are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect from Celo, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Celo, which is here in purple at $1.12. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at $1.74, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Celo over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should have taken a little bit of a step back down to around $1.55 to $1.60. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Celo to be trading at. However, it is likely to pump up higher over the next couple of hours, potentially up to $1.80, $1.85, before it slowly starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow, dropping back down in value. So do expect quite a wave, but the overall outcome does seem to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit too steep here. We still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So an overall major pump in value is what is expected from the graph. However, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value from Celo over the next 7 to 8 days. First of all, reason is it's pumped up quite a lot over the last 24 hours guys, especially this afternoon here. It's gone up about 60-65%. It is overvalued and more than likely going to take a little step back over the coming days, hitting red candles, dropping down to around $1.35 is where I'm expecting Celo to be trading at, potentially by the end of this week and early next week, and hitting more red candles by the week after that, dropping down to $1.20, $1.15 is what my expectations are at the moment. So yes guys, do expect more red candlesticks from Celo over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So again, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is not realistic, exact same reason as a previous chart. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late April, early May, I am expecting Celo to be hovering around the $2 mark is what I'm expecting. So yes, an increase from where it is at the moment. However, before it hits the $2 mark, it's more than likely going to go for a price correction, as I said on the previous chart, by mid-March to late March. So over the next 2 weeks, guys, it is likely to hit more red candles, dropping down to approximately the dollar mark before it slowly starts to gain value for most of April and May, heading very close to the $2 mark is what I'm expecting at the moment. But again, as I keep saying, price correction should be coming very soon over the coming week or two. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring up the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have broken out from the red zone into the green zone without any resistance. So this again proves my point as to why the crypto is slightly overvalued and is currently not sustainable, because it has not resisted at a single point, as you guys can see, meaning it's overvalued and more than likely going to drop back down into the red zone over the coming days. So that's what I meant by it's likely to hit more red days. So essentially dropping back down into the red zone is what my expectations are at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 2,200%, guys, making it $840 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is one of the top, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention. It is a top trending crypto right now, especially after it's gained a huge amount of value. So a lot more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. So over the week 60% up, and over the month near about 150% up, but most of the increase did come from the last not even 24 hours, I would say about the last 10 to 12 hours, guys. So that's how much attention it is getting. Can Celo potentially hit the $10 mark anytime soon? Well, from my predictions and analysis that I have done, not anytime soon, and more or less not this year anyway. I'm expecting Celo to be hitting the $10 mark. It will take at least a good 18 to 24 months, guys, depending on how the Bitcoin halving goes and what Celo comes up with in the near future. As you guys know, it's a very volatile market, but I'm not expecting it to hit the $10 mark this year anyway. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Celo to be going in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.